Now in continuum of this, electric current. We all have heard about what is electric current. We all are using electric current for n number of years. But exactly what is the meaning of electric current? You may be knowing something about it. You may be knowing what is electric current. You'll say that the charge is flowing and the flow of charge is known as electric current. But this is not exactly, this is partly correct. I am not saying it is wrong, but it is partly correct. It is not exactly the flow of charge, but it is, mind these words, it is a rate of flow of electric charge. What it is? It is a rate of flow of electric charge. Now what is this rate? Rate means how fast or how slow. Rate does not mean, मतलब वो नहीं है किसी चीज़ की कीमत. Rate here does not stands for कीमत. Okay, it does not stand for price. It stands for how slow or how fast are the things taking place. Right? Okay. Now see, I have a conducting body over here. Say this is my conducting body, and I am putting electric charge Q from one side, and from other side the charge Q will be coming out. From one side I am putting the charge, from the other side I am taking the charge away. Okay, and the time taken for the charge to travel from one point to another point is t. What time it is? It is t. Okay, then how will I calculate the current passing through the conductor? Very simple, very simple. It is current will be equal to charge upon time. I is equals to Q upon T. Clear? So what do you have to do to find electric current, to calculate electric current? Just see that how much charge is flowing, and then note that how much time it is taking to flow, and then divide charge upon time. That will be what? That will be electric current. Okay, very simple. Now suppose from one side I am putting the charge Q. Okay, I am putting the charge Q, which is 2 कूलम चार्ज. कंडक्टर के एक साइड से 2 कूलम चार्ज मैंने डाला, ठीक है, इस साइड से. उसके बाद में दूसरी साइड से आई गॉट द सेम इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज, उतना ही चार्ज बाहर निकल गया. एंड व्हाट इज द टाइम टेकन फॉर दिस? द टाइम टेकन इज 2 seconds. सो व्हाट विल बी द करंट? इट इज 2 कूलम अपॉन 2 seconds, which is 1. Okay, this is how I calculate electric current. And the unit of electric current, you can see over here, it is what? Ampere. So the SI unit of ampere, that means in what units do we measure electric current? We measure electric current in the units of ampere. And now SI unit is ampere. We have to define that what will be the definition of 1 ampere. See, the definition of current will be definitely this: rate of flow of electric charge through a conductor is known as current through that conductor. For definitions, please refer the notes also. And the definition of ampere, see, if 1 coulomb charge is passing through a conductor and it takes 1 second, once again, okay, see, just once again, if 1 coulomb of charge is passing through a conductor in 1 second, then the current through that conductor will be 1 ampere. Okay, again what you are doing is the very simple thing. You are making the charge equal to 1, time equal to 1, so current equal to 1. यहाँ से इसकी definition उठा लो. Alright, this was the basic definition of electric charge. Okay, now what you will do to make the current flow in a conductor? You see, this is a conductor, okay, and I have attached something to it. Let's see what that something is. See, this is my conductor, okay, and I want the current to flow through this conductor. So what I will use? I will use a cell or a battery, okay, just like showed you in the last topic. This is the positive terminal of higher energy, and this is the negative terminal, which is the terminal of lower energy. Okay, how is current going to flow? Current always flows. See, everything in the universe goes from higher to lower. Air will move from higher pressure to lower pressure. Okay, a freely falling object will fall from higher height to lower height. Okay, in your body, the blood will flow from a higher pressure point to lower pressure point. Okay, heat will also flow from a object at higher temperature towards an object which is at lower temperature. So because all the things in the universe are actually moving from higher to lower, we decided that current will also flow from higher terminal to lower terminal. That means हमने decide किया कि current plus से flow होगा और फिर minus की तरफ जाएगा. And this is the direction of electric current. But after many years, say after the gap of about 70 years, we came to know that ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता इलेक्ट्रिक करंट में. इलेक्ट्रिक करंट दुनिया से उल्टा चलता है. ओके, जो चीज़ दुनिया में होती है वो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट के साथ में नहीं होती, उससे थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट मामला होता है. Now what is that मामला? The मामला is this, that electrons are actually moving from negative terminal, they are going towards positive terminal. यानी ऐसी कोई भी चीज नहीं है which is starting from positive and then going to negative terminal of a cell, but these are particles which are known as electrons, which are actually moving from negative terminal to positive terminal. Okay, you can see how do the electrons travel, positive to negative, and how does the current move. The current will move from positive to negative terminal. अभी ये उल्टा सीधा क्यों हो गया ये? Okay, this is because of a historical mistake. Okay, this is because of a historical mistake. What do we discovered first? हमें पहले क्या डिस्कवर किया भाई? हमने पहले करंट डिस्कवर किया. कौन से ईयर में? 1820 में डिस्कवर किया. ओके, अब 1820 में डिस्कवर किया तो वी हैव टू गिव इट डायरेक्शन. तो हमने बाकी सब चीज़ों को ऑब्जर्व करके ये बोल दिया दैट द करंट जस्ट लाइक एवरीथिंग एल्स विल फ्लो फ्रॉम पॉजिटिव टू नेगेटिव. It will flow from positive to negative. Then in the year 1897, कितने साल? About 77 years after this, someone discovered electron. Who was that? J.J. Thomson. He experimentally discovered electron. Previous to that, electrons was discovered in theory also. And after the discovery of electrons, we came to know that ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता. Current जैसा कुछ भी नहीं होता. Electrons are actually going from negative terminal to positive terminal. Okay, so this was what to say, a historical mistake of sequence. Actually we must have discovered electrons first and then we would have discovered कि electron move किया तो current बना. But we unfortunately discovered current first and then we discovered electron. So we first gave the direction of electric current from plus to minus. Okay, so now we are in a great confusion what to do, whether to take the direction of current from plus to minus or we should take the direction of electron from minus to plus. So what we did was we choose this electric current, and from now onwards, whether the electrons are here or there or whatever, but the direction of electric current will always be from positive to negative. This one is the correct one. But as a student of physics, you should also know that actually current is going from plus to minus, but in reality, these are the electrons which are doing motion from minus to plus or negative to positive terminal. And the direction of current and direction of electron are mutually opposite. Are you clear with this? The SI unit of electric current, then the direction of electric current and its calculation.